Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, is there an app for Deel? I know that a lot of you are interested in using Deel, and you're probably wondering if there's an app that you can use to manage your Deel account. The good news is that there is an app for Deel. It's called the Deel app, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Deel app, how to use it to manage your Deel account, and some of the features that the app offers. So, if you're interested in learning more about the Deel app, then please keep watching. What is Deel? Before we get into the details of the Deel app, let's take a quick look at what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps businesses hire and manage remote employees from anywhere in the world. Deel takes care of all the paperwork and compliance, so you can focus on running your business. Why use Deel? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use Deel. Here are a few of the benefits. Global reach. Deel supports employees in over 150 countries. Compliance. Deel takes care of all the paperwork and compliance, so you don't have to worry about anything. Easy to use. Deel's platform is easy to use, even if you're not a HR expert. Affordable. Deel's pricing is competitive. Is there an app for Deel? Yes, there is an app for Deel. It's called the Deel app, and it's available for both iOS and Android devices. How to download and install the Deel app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Deel. Download and install the app. How to use the Deel app. Once you've downloaded and installed the Deel app, you can use it to manage your Deel account. Here are some of the things you can do with the app. View your employee information. Track your time. Submit your timesheets. View your pay stubs. Request time off. Communicate with your manager. Features of the Deel app. The Deel app has a number of features that make it a valuable tool for managing your Deel account. Here are a few of the features. User-friendly interface. The app is easy to use and navigate. Push notifications. The app will send you push notifications when there are new updates to your account. Offline mode. The app can be used offline, so you can still access your information even if you're not connected to the internet. Security. The app is secure and uses encryption to protect your data. The Deel app is a great way to manage your Deel account on the go. It's easy to use, packed with features, and secure. If you're using Deel, I highly recommend downloading and installing the app. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Deel app, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on Deel and other HR topics. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.